Welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae and today is my birthday video. My birthday was about a week ago and I asked you guys on Instagram what I should make for my birthday video. I had a few options, here they are. And you guys decided on creme brulee. So I am going to make that, obviously. This dessert is so delicious. It is this sweet custard that's just baked and then you let it rest, and so good. So I thought this was actually gonna be quite hard because on cooking shows that I see, they say creme brulee is kind of difficult and they say it takes forever. So I was kind of dreading it, but I tried it out beforehand because I didn't really want to mess it up completely on my video. So I tried it beforehand and it's actually super easy. The only thing that takes a long time is letting it set. So you make it, you bake it, and then you let it set, and that takes a total of like 3 to 4 hours. But I just saw on MasterChef Legends, someone made it in 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. That's crazy. But that's not what we're gonna do today. So we're just gonna make a classic creme brulee, and I'm super excited for this. This dessert tastes so delicious. It's very rare to see it like at restaurants and things for them to offer it. So I can't wait to try it, and let's get baking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram right here. It's beautiful. I have been posting so much more often and you guys should go check it out. I am doing restaurant reviews, I'm doing my channel on there, I'm doing daily life, I'm doing reminders, I'm doing Instagram decides, I'm doing many different things, and pretty soon I'm gonna try something different that's been offered on Instagram for a while, and some people have been telling me I should start them, but I haven't because I'm nervous and it kind of takes up a lot of time, but I'm gonna try it soon. So go check it out. Here are the ingredients that you need to make your creme brulee. All right, so the first two things that I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and also boil some water. So this is what your creme brulee cooks in. It has 6 of these with a little carrier, and then it sits in this pan. Anyways, you fill the pan up halfway with boiling water to help cook our custards. That's why I'm starting the boiling water now, because I'd rather have it sooner than later. So the next step is taking my 5 egg yolks, dumping them all together, and I'm gonna whisk them vigorously until they're like ribbon falling off my whisk. So here we go. Probably pretty loud. My arm hurts. Are we done? Y'all, I'm sweating now. Sweaty. So this, when you whisk it, it like puts more air into it, so it kind of becomes fluffier. So that's what's happening right now. Kind of making it fluffier because we have a custard, and custards are nice and fluffy and beautiful. Okay. That seems ribbony-y, right? So then I just take this and I set it aside. Right there, right there, right there. I don't know. Right there, right here, right there. I don't know where to put it. I'll just keep it right here. Okay, So the next step is I'm gonna go over to the stove and I'm gonna put my heavy whipping cream, my sugar, my vanilla, and my salt all together, mix it up, and I'm gonna let it get to a nice steaming heat. So I don't want it like boiling, I don't want it really simmering, I just want it to be really hot, and then I'm gonna pour it into my egg yolks. Here is my heavy whipping cream, my sugar, my vanilla, and a pinch of salt. So I'm gonna whisk this together until my sugar has dissolved. I need it to be steaming hot, and I don't see any steam coming up yet, so we're still letting it cook some more. Oh my gosh, I should explain to you guys a little bit about why I'm in this kitchen. So my other kitchen is down in San Diego, and I'm living in Riverside now. So I only go there every other weekend, and some things have happened. And my last video, so the last video I just put out, the Instagram Decides one, you guys really gave me a tough one. I filmed it 3 times and it's still, oh my gosh, go check that video out because seriously. So anyways, I got pushed back. So that's why I'm here in my mother-in-law's kitchen, because I ran out of time because of some fluffy pancakes. Don't need this whisk anymore, but we are ready. Are we ready? So what we're gonna do is pour it in little by little so that I don't have scrambled eggs and I have a nice custard that will bake beautifully. So little by little. And sometimes I get scared, so I do like little by little. All right. And you have to whisk and whisk and whisk the whole time. Don't stop whisking. It's loud, it's gonna move, it's gonna be a lot. But that's how you temper your eggs so that you don't have scrambled eggs. Ooh, it smells so good. Why does that look weird? And guys, we are done. Besides baking and letting it set, we are done. We've made it. So let's put this baby aside, right there. Let's get our trays right here. Turn my water back on so I can heat that baby up and it doesn't take as long. I'm gonna get me this beautiful ladle. It's a little wonky, but that's okay. All right. Oh my gosh, I said that my first step was to preheat the oven. And guess what this tonta didn't do? She didn't preheat her oven. So now we gotta wait. Oh my gosh. All right, my friends. Focus back in. Okay, we are ready. So, that's hot. So I am going to dump my boiling water. It's about halfway up on my ramekins. I don't know the name of these, but my creme brulee tins, molds, things. Anyways, so it's halfway, my oven is ready, and I'm just gonna stick it in there for 35 to 45 minutes. Very carefully, because I don't want the water to spill out. All right, I will see you guys when they're done. Welcome back. It has been a good 2.5, 3 hours since putting this baby in the oven. So it cooks for about 35 to 45 minutes. I did it for 45 minutes only because I am not an expert and I do not know when the right jiggle is the right jiggle. So when you cook it, it's still supposed to have a jiggle. If you can see that, it still kind of has a jiggle. it has more of a jiggle, and then you set it and it's like less of a jiggle, but there's always going to be a jiggle. So I don't know if that jiggle is better at 35 minutes or 45 minutes. So I just did it for 45 minutes. I did it for 2 hours only because it is pitch dark outside and that's all the time that I have. But I will do the rest of it and then I'll just put it back into the refrigerator for overnight. The last thing that we need to do is take some sugar, sprinkle it on top, and torch that baby up. I'm gonna try and put less sugar, but still hopefully having that nice, crisp, hardened, crackly top layer. So we just sprinkle it on top. And let's try this out. So that was definitely less, and it definitely burnt less, but it's still burnt. So I don't know, maybe it's just always gonna burn no matter what. Oh, that was a lot. Ooh, that smoke, oh my gosh. That one looks good. Well, I don't know. Oh, now I kind of burnt it. Ugh. It looked good, and then I'm gonna eat it. Oh no. Did it set? No. Shoot. It's still pretty good, but it did not set. It needs to stay in the fridge longer, for sure. But it still tastes delicious. So setting it is just like a matter of like how firm it is. And it's not that firm, but it tastes really good. So it didn't set all the way, but give it longer, overnight, 3 hours, 4 hours, and it'll set. I just think it was just really hot still, and it hasn't, the coldness of the refrigerator hasn't gotten all the way to the middle, but the taste is so good. Like I said, I'm gonna finish that whole thing. It is delicious. Oh, that's so good. So good. All right, there you have it. This is creme brulee. Creme brulee. All right, there you have it. This is creme brulee, and I'm so glad that you guys chose this for my birthday video. I enjoyed it very much, and I can't wait to continue to make this and also try new flavors. So while I was looking this up, they have so many flavors. They have pumpkin creme brulee, they have like a blueberry lavender creme brulee, many things, and I'm excited to try those out. Being as now I can successfully cook a classic creme brulee, I would love to try a different spin, a different take on some different types of creme brulee. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification down below so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye.